Today's room tour video finds us in Key West, Florida. I'm at the Fairfield Inn, that's Fairfield by Marriott. There are two of them in Key West, and I will put the address to this one in the description, but let's take a look at the room. So right outside the room, you're going to find, oh look at that, a rooster. It is Key West, but we're looking out at a little garden area, little walkway, very pretty. And the room itself is very spacious, but it almost seems empty because it is so roomy. So we'll start with the king size bed. Has a little stool that you can use to sit down or put your bags on, anything you'd like. Off to the side, we have two side tables. And in the phone, there are outlets and charging jacks, USB ports. And we have similar on the other side. Of course, there's not a second clock, but there are USB charging ports. From the bed across the room, there's a TV. We have a desk, a chair, and it looks like these might be some drawers. And they have complimentary water here. That's nice. Coffee machine, and let's see what type of coffee they have. They have Rainforest Blend, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if any are decaf. Looks like 2 decaf, 2 regular. Small microwave. Down below, there's a small refrigerator. And a closet with 2, 4, 6, 8 are customary, 8 hangers. Ironing board, iron. And down below, there's a room safe. Okay, I just figured it out. The reason that it seems so roomy is it is a handicap accessible room. I'm not a big fan of these just because everything is so low, and oftentimes the water just comes out of the shower. And the same thing with the counter. It is wheelchair height, but there's a nice big mirror and a lot of light in the room. It really is a beautiful courtyard area. However, be aware that means that people will be walking by your room, so you'll want to keep those drapes shut. Here's the pool area, and they do have a pool bar, which is nice. They have cabanas, and it's a pretty nice pool actually. This is very nice. I'm cutting through the pool to head for breakfast. Breakfast is included. They have bikes available as well. This might be a good time to mention they do have free shuttle service down to Old Town. All you have to do is register at the front desk. Doesn't cost anything, but you should tip your driver. So breakfast includes a bread station, fresh fruit, dry cereal, and there's milk, some yogurt, and juices. They even have chocolate milk. Let's see, we have scrambled eggs. They have turkey sausage and pork sausage. And then they have some hard-boiled eggs. They do have a waffle station here, but right now they're running low, so I don't know how good a job they do of keeping that stocked. We have coffee as well. It's been really busy here this morning, so I didn't show the coffee machine. And here is a better look at the bread table. They refilled it with bagels and blueberry muffins. Overall, breakfast was pretty good. Never make the mistake of calling it a free breakfast, because make no mistake, you're paying for it. It's just an included breakfast. I don't recall what my stay cost. I'd have to check my credit card receipts, but I'm guessing it was around $350, and it might have been an additional $25 by the time you get the parking and the shuttle services. That's just tacked on above and beyond what you'll book. Included in that is a mandatory daily destination or resort fee of approximately $28 per night. This typically covers a shuttle service to Old Town Key West, in-room bottled water, and Wi-Fi. I received 2 non-alcoholic welcome beverages at check-in. Other additional fees include self-parking at $12 per day and pet fees of $100 per stay. So thanks for joining me for this room tour and a bit of a grounds tour here at Fairfield Inn in Key West, Florida. As always, I encourage you to leave your comments down below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you here next time on the Average Me channel.